Good morning, students. In this week, we learn about this Unit 8 Biotechnology, Chapter 4 in the Botany book. So, in the Biology Botany book. So, first we read this lesson. Biotechnology is the science of applied biological process. In other words, it is the science of development and utilization of biological process, forms and systems for the benefit of mankind and other life forms. The term biotechnology was coined by Carl Carnegie. So, Canadian engineer in 1990. Biotechnology has been extended to include any process in which organisms, tissues, cells, organelles, or isolated molecules such as enzymes are used to convert the biological or other raw materials to products of greater value. So, first one, the term seems to have been formed by combining of two components, bioscience with technology. It has been defined as the application of scientific and engineering principles for processing the material through biological agents to provide the goods and services. So, biotechnology is the controlled use of biological agents such as microorganisms or cellular compounds for beneficial use. The use of living organisms is in industrial, agriculture, medical, and other technological applications. The applications of these principles, the practices of the engineering and technology to the life species. So, the biotechnology was first coined by Ernest Gurgey. Ernest Gurgey, the Hungarian engineer, in 1919. So, that is that the biotechnology is the applied biological process. Applied biological process. So, it is can be in which organisms may be taking these tissues or cells or isolated molecules or the things to convert for this only the biological. Convert this biological. So it is taking this raw materials. It is a product is a very greater values. Because of this, it is through to this biotechnology. The biotechnology products is a very important one, and also this greater value So next move to this development of biotechnology. Biotechnology has developed by leaps and bounds during the past century. The development of this biotechnology can be well understood on two main guides, namely conventional or traditional biotechnology and modern biotechnology. Conventional or traditional biotechnology, this is the kitchen technology, so developed by our ancestors. So it is the oldest human civilization. This technology uses a bacteria and other microbes in daily usage for preparation of dairy products like curd, cheese, ghee, and in preparation of food like idli, dosa, naan, bread, and pizza. This conventional biotechnology also extends to the preparation of alcoholic beverages like beer, wine, etc. So, with the advancement of this science and technology during the 18th century, this kitchen technology gained this scientific validation. So, first one it is modern biotechnology. There are the two main features of this technology that differentiated it from the conventional technology. First one is the ability to change genetic material for getting new products with specific requirement through the recombinant DNA technology. Ownership of this newly developed technology, and it is a social impact. Today, biotechnology is $1 million business around the world. For medical companies, breweries, agro industries, other biotechnological based on industries apply biotechnological tools for the product improvement. So development of this biotechnology, so it can be developed in the ancient period. That is called this traditional biotechnology. It is also called this kitchen technology. Because of this, it developed by this ancestors. It is the oldest one. It is the oldest one. So this technology only uses for this in this ancient period bacteria and this microbes. In this can be used. So what are they have to daily used? You have to eat this curd, ghee, cheese. So it foods like this idli, dosa, naan is the pizza. It is a conventional biotechnology. So do you know that? So it is the alcoholic beverages like this beer, wine, etc. So what is that? So domestication of the plants and animals, they start the biotechnology. Domestication of the plants and animals, they start the biotech in this very beginning of this civilization, very beginning of this human civilization. So making of the curd from the milk, making the curd from the milk, we have this number of milk products we have used by this technology. So we have the use of this yeast and other microbes in the wining and brewing industries. Many microorganisms are used in this wine, cheese making, etc. These are all biotechnological process practiced for this centuries. So that is immemorable one. So where using these microorganisms, these constitutions of this are old biotech. So old biotechnology refers to this process that are based on the inherent capability of microorganisms or biological agents for carrying out reactions ultimately leading to product. Even the microorganisms, what happens? So we are actually using these microorganisms given without knowing what is actually happens. What actually happens by this enzymes it changes the characters. So at this time of this 18th century, time of this 18th century, so it is can be gained for the scientific evolution of the in the technologies, biotechnologies. Next one is a modern biotechnology. Modern biotechnology is a human means it is a human insulin is produced in the bacterium by introducing the human insulin gene. So this is the most common insulin is now available in the market. So previously we have the insulin from this pig and cows. So now we just have very effective in bacteria, doesn't have any immunological reactions compared to the pig and cow. So next move to this Holden rice. So vitamin A gene is a precursor introduced. So feeding on rice, now the vitamin A deficiencies associated prevented diseases. So flavors of tomato with the increase in the self of the life of this as strangely ripening genes using that in this technology. See in all these things, gene manipulation, the basis of all these products. So modern technology it is only the ability to change the genetic material. Modern biotechnology is only to change the ability to change the genetic material. So how the products in the through the recombinant DNA technology. So next one you have to produce that biotechnology. So in millions of dollars it can be gained in this biotechnology. Earning for this biotechnology in the millions of earning this biotechnology, earning by this biotechnology in the persons. So what are the way you have to earning this money? So in this through to this paramedical companies, brewers, agro-industrials, other biotechnologies. So modern or new biotechnologies refers to this manipulation of genes or genome for making it more desirable and to synthesize the available product. So next move to this in the some of this basic concept and also this you have to see in this lesson. Some of the things you know that. So first one it is a fermentation. The product of this acids, enzymes, alcohol, antibiotics, so fine chemicals, vitamins and acids. Next one is a biomass. Bulk production of single cell protein, alcohol and biofuel. Enzymes, biosensors in processing industry. Biofuels for production of hydrogen, alcohol and methane. Microbial inoculations as biofertilizers and nitrogen fixers. Plant and animal cell culture for production of secondary metabolites, monoclonal antibodies. Recombinant DNA technology for production of fine chemicals, enzymes, vaccines, growth hormones, antibiotics and interferon. Process of engineering. Tools of the biotechnology is used to implement treatment, water cycling. So let's just see one by one. So first one it is traditional biotechnology. So first one, traditional biotechnology, that is that methods of biotechnology. It is also this fermentation, it is that traditional biotechnology. So fermentation, the word fermentation is derived from this Latin verb fever, which means to boil. Fermentation refers to this metabolic process in which organic molecules are converted into acid, gases or alcohol in the absence of the oxygen or any electron transport. The study of the fermentation, it is practical uses is called zymology and originated in 1856 when French chemist Louis Pasteur demonstrated that fermentation was caused by yeast. Fermentation occurs in certain types of bacteria and fungi that require an oxygen-free environment to live. The process of fermentation are valuable to the food and beverage industries with the conversion of the sugar into ethanol to produce alcoholic beverages. The release of carbon dioxide by yeast used in the leavening of the bread and with the production of organic acid to preserve and flavor vegetables and dairy products. So you say that the fermentation. So fermentation is derived from the word Latin. Derived from it Latin word. It is fermentation. It is a Latin word. So it is coming from this word fever. Fever means to boil. Fever means to boil or heat. To boil or heat. So fermentation refers to this metabolic process in which organisms, any organisms, it changes into that acid, gas or alcoholic. So in the absence of this, in the anaerobic conditions, so in the by this electron transport chain. So the study of this fermentation, that is called zymology. The study of this fermentation, that is a practical uses, that is called the zymology. Zymology is the practical applications of the fermentations. So it is first it can be originated in this Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur. Do you know that Louis Pasteur? So pasteurization of the milk. So first it is introduced that there's the yeast. So it is used in this the fermentation process. It is only this yeast. So they have to used for this some of this type. Some of the microorganisms like this. What are the microorganisms? Fungi, bacteria, virus. This is the microorganisms. So you have to use the certain type of this microorganism like this, bacteria, fungi. So it requires the oxygen, that is aerobic conditions. Aerobic conditions to live. So it is a valuable product is giving to that in the biotechnology. So giving that biotechnology. What are the materials? What are the products is given the biotechnologies? Beverages, bread and dairy products, organic acids, it can given in this biotechnology. So beverages, leavening the bread, preserve this organic acids, all the things are given in this fermentation products. So fermentation, so by this biotechnology, traditional biotechnology, you give that the products. So next move to this bioreactor.